everybody. How are you today? Hope it's been a good day. Hope you had a good day at school. You're excited to be home and watching your wonderful math teachers. You have all three of us here today. You've got
Newsom,
Green,
and Coach Groves. Today we're going to talk about creating a word problem from an equation. So basically, we're doing the creating. Is that what this says?
that's what it says, girl.
Ooh, that's kind of fun. Your learning target today. Today, we'll be able to write a word problem given an equation by analyzing what each part of the equation means. Okay. Did you see that we have a learning target?
We have a learning target.
Did you write it down?
I was just going to say, did y'all write it down?
And put it in your journals?
Yeah,
oh,
look at your
wait. Is your journal out?
I'm playing with Coach Groves' styluses.
We got styluses.
Okay, you should have this written down or pause it
It should be written down. This is important.
to do so.
That was supposed to be a star.
It's terrible.
Oh.
Terrible.
Leave the drawing up to me. Oh, that's perfect, Green.
Okay.
Oh, that's green.
We all have
Hold
a
on.
stylus today. Oh.
No, she,
Boom!
no, she
It's
did.
so uneven.
And for Newsom.
Okay,
Let's go.
Learning targets should be written down by
Yes.
now. So, I know this is a lot to look at, but that's okay because it's a lot of creating today. So, we're writing a corresponding word problem to represent 5x plus 50 equals 120. So, step 1, analyze what each part of that equation means mathematically. So, what does x mean?
X is going to be your variable.
So, it's the solution to the problem.
Right, it's going to be your answer
Okay.
at the end, yes.
What about 5x?
It's basically the quantity that you're looking for, and it's going to be multiplied by 5.
So, it's whatever x is multiplied by 5.
Yes.
Cool. What about plus 50? What does that mean?
That means that it's the 50 that's going to be added to the 5x.
Okay. And equals 120?
Right, so it means that after multiplying the solution by 5 and then adding 120, the result is 120. So this is my total right here.
Yes. So we've got this written down for you. Exactly. You're just going to analyze each piece. What does each one mean? Now, think of a situation where a quantity might be multiplied by 5. Can you think of one? Where could you multiply it by 5?
I have 2 cats, and I need to multiply by the 5 kids that want the 2 cats.
Okay.
I was thinking I was going down to the lunchroom and I don't know, there's milk sitting out. I don't know what I'm trying to say here. I want 5 milks. I want 5 chocolate milks right now.
You're thirsty.
So
Yeah,
you
so how
have-
many people with me are with me and will want 5 chocolate milks?
So then there's also some we have here. You have X number of books, each weighing 5 pounds, and you want to know their total.
Cool.
You save $5 a week for X number of weeks and want to know the total amount. So each of those are scenarios that are just multiplied by 5. That's all we've looked at first.
Yeah.
What is something that's multiplied by 5? Step 3, build on the situation and adjust to create a verbal description that takes all the information of the equation into account. So let's think about that the 5 pound, the books, you have a number of books that are 5 pounds. Could we create a scenario out of that?
Yes?
I'm sure.
I'm sure we could. What about something like that? A publisher ships a package of X number of books, each weighing 5 pounds, plus a second package weighing 50 pounds. The total weight of both packages is 120 pounds. How many books are being shipped?
Awesome.
Did that work?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Did I just create an equation?
You did.
You did.
That
It
feels
flew out of
good.
nowhere.
It did, didn't it?
Put them. I love that.
Funny thing, it's in the corner of their thing. They can see them in the corner.
No, I know they can see them.
Would you quit moving that? Okay. So, we've got another one for you. We had talked about the saving $5 a week. We have to add that 50 to it, so we can bring this one in.
You're going to make the motion sick.
But it's so much fun. So, Leon receives a birthday gift of $50 from his parents each week. He saves $5. How many weeks will it take for him to save 120?
Ooh.
So these aren't too bad, are they?
No, that's not bad at all.
If we break
it's
it
gonna take him a
up,
lot of weeks to get up to
that is going to take him a lot of weeks. But if we break it up into different parts, just look at
Piece
the thing
by
piece by
piece.
piece. What are you actually doing? You'll be fine. So try this on your own. 10x plus 40 equals 100. I want you to try to create your own word problem. I want you to bring it to class with you tomorrow, and we're gonna see what kind of word problems you all get.
Think about all the steps that we went through, right?
So-
What the 100 is going to be.
hold on.
Oopsies, I just took the equation and.
Here, you want to draw on it? There you go. You can draw. on
No,
it.
I'm just helping out, guys. We're talking about the step. Let's recap what the step
100 means.
that is going to be.
What the 10 represents.
We're gonna eventually solve for the x.
Right.
Yes.
So as long as you know what all the pieces mean,
Right.
coming up with a word problem is no issue.
Yep. So
Piece of
that's
cake.
It's a piece of cake. Who was gonna come up with a cake
How
word
many?
problem?
Ooh, we'll see. Challenge.
I don't know. Can you come up with a word problem with this one?
I think I could.
I think
Tell
I
me.
could.
Cake?
I don't think we should until tomorrow.
Oh, let's not spoil
Let's
it.
not
so
spoil it. We have our word problem we're bringing tomorrow too.
That's right. All done.
Okay.
Okay, we got a little excited with the smiley faces today.
No, we didn't. What are you talking about?
Hold on. I'm just gonna put my little. Oh my.
I just changed the color on you.
All right. Bye, guys.
Okay,
We're
bye.
out.
See you later. Have fun. Bring your word problem.